If you're someone who loves editing videos with CapCut and wants to quickly access saved or favorite templates, you're definitely not alone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to view your saved or favorite CapCut templates and how to make the most of your projects. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of where to find all your templates and projects, plus how to use CapCut's web platform for even easier access. Let's jump right in. First off, when you use CapCut, whether it's the desktop app or mobile version, every single project you create is stored in the Home section under Projects. This is your main hub for all of your work. Now, one thing to keep in mind, CapCut doesn't actually separate your favorite templates or saved items into a dedicated folder or tab. Everything you make is together in this one place. So rather than looking for a favorites section or a saved templates tab, all your creations, whether they're simply drafts, finished videos, or ones you especially like, can be found right here. It's kind of like having a big digital notebook where you jot down every idea or sketch. If you're looking for a particular template you used or liked, just scroll through your project list in the Home section. Take your time. Sometimes, if you've made a lot of projects, this part might take a few moments, but don't worry if you don't immediately spot what you're after. Give each project a quick look. Maybe open a couple if you want to double-check the template used. This is your main method of revisiting previous work in CapCut. Now, if you want to explore templates more directly, or find and use community-made templates, you'll want to visit CapCut's web platform. Head over to the CapCut website and click on the Templates tab. Here, CapCut really opens up your creative options. You'll be able to browse a huge library of templates ranging from trending styles to professional layouts and more. It's a bit like walking through a virtual gallery, where every template is ready for you to use or customize. When you find a template that catches your eye, simply select it. You'll then have the option to customize it. It could be swapping out video clips, changing text, or fine-tuning effects. Take your time with this step. If you're new to CapCut templates, don't worry, the customization process is quite intuitive. Think of it like tailoring a pre-made outfit to fit your style. You start with a solid foundation and then make it uniquely yours. Once you're happy with your customized template, all you have to do is click Export. This will render your video, allowing you to save and share your creation. Exporting might take a few moments depending on the length and complexity of your edits, but once it's done, you'll have a polished video ready for your audience or for personal keepsakes, and that's all there is to it. With these steps, you'll always be able to find your projects in CapCut's Home section and harness the full power of templates using CapCut Web. I hope this walkthrough makes it a little easier for you to organize and create with confidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like us. And if you have any questions about using CapCut templates or anything else about video editing, feel free to drop a comment below. I love hearing from you and helping out. And if you want more straightforward, easy-to-follow guides just like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.